Yeah, let's check out the mic. I think it should work, but I'm not sure. Let's check it out for sure. Yeah, let's check out the mic. I think it should work, but I'm not sure. Let's check it out for sure. Yeah, let's reduce the voice. Check out the mic. I think it should work, but I'm not sure. Let's check it out for sure. Yeah, let's reduce the voice. Check out the mic. I think it should work, but I'm not sure. Let's check it out for sure. Yeah, let's reduce the voice. Check out the mic. I think it should work, but I'm not sure. Let's check it out for sure. Yeah, let's reduce the voice. Check out the. Oh god, we've got recursion. It's amazing. Yeah, we've got recursion. I never encountered with this thing. Of course, I encountered when I was using two like a smartphones, and I've been calling, like I was calling to each other, like. Oh god, we've got recursion. Yeah, it's kind of cool one. Yeah, we've got recursion. Okay then. I never encountered. Yeah, I wanna hear myself. Yeah. Yeah, I guess everything is cool, and let's get started. And without further ado, let's get started with this one and do some shit. Yeah, the thing is that we should like return the difference between arrays, like, and that's it. I don't really know how to solve this one, but anyway, let's solve this one and be happy with that. Yeah, I want to have this function, like arrow function. I don't want to return anything, like empty array. Okay, it's working. Okay then. Yeah, let's create diffs array. We're gonna say we're a difference between A and B, and let's make it in this way. We have a yeah, let's think about it. How are we gonna know about the difference between these two arrays? Let's say we have like this one. Yeah. I think, yeah, I've got this idea. Like, we're gonna go through like the first array, let's say, and we're gonna check out whether like it has this, like this array has this item, like whether it has three or it doesn't. Yeah. I think it's kind of it. I'm really sure it should work, but nobody knows. And A and and it's gonna be like a more than -1, and we are going to return not really. We're not going to return. We need to push the difference, like. If it don't have like this thing, then doesn't have this thing, we should put this thing. Yeah, it's either when you're now where things are going, and this one I want to use console, our lovely console, and it's either to do something with this one, to debug or something. Yeah, let's return diffs. Oh, let's put here like this thing. And we should have 4, but we have not like a 4. Yeah, weird and vice versa things. Okay, we shouldn't. Okay, if there's no such thing, let make this div. Yeah, this is why this important one. Not really I wanna change this from time to time. And yeah, now it returns 4. But if we're gonna do this thing, how it will work? Okay then. Yeah, let's test this thing. Not really, this should return something. And if it's really, I even didn't think about anything. I think it shouldn't work because there are more use cases. Really? It's kind of weird for me. Really weird. Yeah, I can do this in this way as well. It's shorter, more easy to understand way, I think. Yeah, let's go back. Yeah, but it's weird it's working. Yeah, it should work, but I didn't expect it should work like that fast. And what if we are going to do this thing? Yeah, okay then, let's go to the next task. How can I finish this thing? I make it done. Yeah, submit. I just want to take a look at the other solutions of the function. Yeah, I'm really curious about this. What are the other solutions for these tasks? I don't really know. Can I see myself? Can you see myself? Yeah, kind of, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah. Yeah, I forgot what I wanted to do. I wanted to find different ways of solve the task, but I'm not really sure what the thing is doing. I now that it index off, but I really want to know what this thing is doing under the hood. Whether it's faster than index off or what. Yeah, let's check it out because I'm really curious about it. Yeah, but the purpose of the stream not is solving some task and just get some knowledge about the JavaScript and about how it works. Yeah, let's generate how to generate array of numbers. Yeah, I don't want to generate array of numbers. Yeah, I want to make it fast. I want to think about it a lot. Not really. I want to generate random things. Yeah, I think this one is fucking cool. Array from this one, I don't really know about this thing, but now we know this together. That array from is line 1. It's kind of cool. I didn't really know about this one, but now we know, and I can do something with this one. I want to have really long, and it's gonna take some time to process this line. I don't know, is it does it have enough memory or something to process this thing? Because I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. And it blocked our main thread, which is not cool. Now let's make it like this one. Yeah, it takes some time. Console time and console end time. Time end. Yeah, it takes some time. Maybe let's make it like that. Yeah, it's cool one. And let's call it index of. Yeah. And I want to index of as well. Index of, yeah, it's kind of a cool thing. And I don't know how it works under the hood. I'm in this console time, but I'm really curious about what is faster, includes or index of. Yeah, let's check it out. It's not really great benchmark, but like at least I want to know something about the performance of includes. Yeah, and let's create him. Yeah, we have this example. Yeah, let's copy and paste this one, and let's console time like includes. And time. Yeah, where the solution is. Yeah, we like have those two solutions. Let's check them out. And I have this one. And I have an array of like array. First array, let's say first array. This one. And the second one is like that. Okay, I can't command this thing like that fast as we can do in the IDEs. But anyway, let's make it like that. Oh god, it's so tedious. Yeah. And I have this thing. I need to have like a second array. Second array and that's it. Like set array, second array. Does it exist? Like, yeah, it does. Yeah, we need to get back to our code, like this one. And what do I wanna do here? I'm gonna try to use like this one, like array diff. Okay, like an index of, and yeah, they're equal, like not like equal, like identical. Index of and includes, yeah, this one. And what can I do? Just execute this function and it's going to work. Like we have first array and we have second array, and we're going to do the same thing for includes. I don't know what the results are going to be, but we're gonna see. We'll see what's gonna happen right now and right here in the area of JavaScript. Yeah, like as it usually happens. You wanna run something and it doesn't run. Oh god, I'm really excited about what's going to happen. And what's going to happen. Yeah, I can't wait, it's not a big deal. But I'm really curious about what's going to happen. Yeah, because we need to filter all of the sort of stuff. Okay, maybe it's going to block out rat or saw. But let's create a new tab and reduce the number of items in our arrays. Let's make like that. Time end, yeah. And also we could have this error. Time end. I don't know which of them is faster, but let's change the code. Yeah, let's get rid of this tab. And let's make it like a 100,000 of items. Oh god. And what we're gonna have? I'm really curious about what's gonna happen. but it blocks the main thread. Yeah, the first one is like 12 seconds. More than 12 seconds, almost. Really interesting result. I know, but maybe the includes using using index off under the hood. Let's check them out once again, but we're going to have more things. Yeah, let's go to the next task, and yeah, let's check out the other solutions. Like we can do this with filter. Yeah, we can. Of course we can. And we can do this with filter, and we can use new stat. Yeah, it's kind of harder to understand like this solution. We have a stat, and we're going to pass like our array into stat, and we're going to have unique numbers, or numbers, and then we gonna filter them. And if it doesn't have, like a B doesn't have V from A, we're going to return. Yeah, it makes sense. If B doesn't have what has A, we're going to return, and this is our difference. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, this is the solution that I've got. Oh god, I didn't see this one, like never. Yeah, it's kind of cool. And we require, it's kind of the best solution ever. Like how to implement difference. I wanna save the screenshot because it's just amazing. It's amazing one. And desktop, not really. This is like amazing. I wanna people see this fucking the greatest solution ever. Like yeah, this man or woman has like a sense of humor for sure. And this is the best solution I ever had. I could ever had. And this one is simple one. And this, like, the other solutions are the same. Okay, let's go to the next header, and we'll see what's gonna happen. And we have duplicate encoder. The goal of this exercise is to convert a string to a new string where each character is the new string. In the new string is if the character appears only once in the original string or appears more than once in the original string. Ignore capitalization when determining if a character is a duplicate. It's kind of weird, you know. Okay, I like it, but it's weird. Yeah, we can use the same thing like this man done, like with difference function. Like, yeah, it's cool one. Yeah, we need like that thing for only once. Like this thing is once, and this thing more than once. Like let's make sure like this is once, we're gonna do this once, and this is like a once, more than once, more than once, more than once. Okay then, I got it. It seems like something that we can do. Yeah, let's go through the word, because if you wanna find something, you need to go through the word. Let's check this one out somehow. And we need to have like, let's create a constant once character, like, and not this one, like, yeah, and more than once. And now it's kind of easier to return the things. And we need to have if this like a word index of yeah, I have a solution. Like we have similar tasks in a previous stream, and I can use the solution of this previous task right here. Yeah, but I don't really remember like what the task was. I don't really remember this one. Let me think. Like an isogram or yeah, I think it's not a cheating because I wanna get familiar with this function once again, but it's not loading. Seems I have everything with my internet connection. Yeah, I have. Yeah, everything is cool, but it's not working. Yeah, it's working. I don't really know. What can I do here? I need to know whether this thing happens once or twice. Yeah, I can. Yeah, we can create a like characters. I got. Yeah, it's kind of a dictionary, and we are going to do this thing. If the character exists, like it doesn't exist in our string, we're going to assign the character, make it like 1. Otherwise, we are going to like do this thing. Yeah, let's go to the console once again. It's useful, it's our friend for every problem in our lives. Yeah, I would like to have a console in real life, but it's just a dream. But I think I have, but maybe I don't really know about this one. Like, I want to have this thing. Yeah, this is how it will work. Let's make this with 2 loops, but I don't really want to have it like with 2 loops. If let's create a variable char, and it's going to be this character, and I'm going to pass it here, like here and here. Yeah, it's iterate, and if like the character is more than oh god, I haven't been okay. I just forget about everything that I've been doing before. Yeah, it's a fail, but it's not that bad fail. Live stream. Yeah, I forget to take a look whether it's recording or not. It's recording, but it's not recording my screen. And now we need to find out how to make it recording. Yeah, it's a shit. I don't wanna see my desktop. I don't know how to launch because I don't have this tab right here. Oh god, I don't have this tab at all. Now let's check it out. Maybe it's a fail, maybe it's not, but at least I've done this task. And what I want, yeah, I want to make sure it's going to appear here. I don't have anything like, okay, let's yeah, finally. Okay, it's not a big deal. Like right now you can see the task, and the first task we solved is, I forget this one. I really forget what yeah, it's like a difference between two arrays. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal at all, but anyway, we are going to solve this one. Maybe it's gonna fail or maybe it's not, but anyway, let's go back to our task. And if a character exists, like, and it's more than one, we're going to, yeah, duplicate encoder. Duplicate, I don't know. Yeah, let's make it like this. And duplicates, and we are going to do duplicate the string, and we are going to add more than once, like that. Yeah, more than, and this will be once. Now let's check it out in real world, like in our console, and duplicates. Oh god. And duplicates, and this is what we have. I think this one is colon, and we can duplicate redeem expected out of input. Where this thing is, like I missed something, and it sucks. I don't know what, but I missed something here. Yeah, now let's test this one. Yeah, it's working for one thing. And let's check it out in our own. It's easier to check out in our own. And let's go to the console and do some shit. And like success and success. This is what we gonna get. And what we're getting. I know what we're getting this thing. Let's make this one. Yeah, let's make this one. happen, and this is what we have. Yeah, let's go back and test. We have receipt. Okay, not a big deal. And let's characters receipt, and we supposed to get this result. Okay, like this one is like once, then we have this thing. Yeah, this is why we should like make it 2 loops. Yeah, if you wanna save your money, don't save it. If you're gonna like do some things. Yeah, give me a minute. Okay. Yeah, as I previously said, you should sacrifice your money to get rid of trade-offs. There are always trade-offs, and this is we have trade-off. Okay, it's not a big deal, honestly. We can do this like the same loop. Maybe it's not the division, but first of all I wanna solve the task, and then I wanna like do other shit. Yeah. Yeah, I wanna do this one. And let's test. It's not defined. Yeah, of course it doesn't. And I have this thing. We have success. Success is kind of cool, but we shouldn't care about case. Whatever the case we have, we're gonna make it lowercase. Two lowercase. And this is how it works. And let's test this thing. Yeah, we still getting some weird shit. Okay, we should do this one as well. Yeah, we should. Let's test it once again. Yeah, and we have our test green, but it's not going to like take a lot of time, because let's check it out like attempt, and it's going to be, it's working. Yeah, this is what we have. Can I resize this thing? Well, I can do this one. Okay, it's better because I want to make this code more maybe more efficient, but I think I should. It's easy to understand. At least it's really easy to understand. Yeah, it's just easy to understand. I know how to improve this one. Like what we have, like we have constant like characters where we're saving our characters, like how much characters we have in each in the word, like, and the number of characters shouldn't depend on the case of the number. Yeah, I know I didn't see the reasons to like make it better. Maybe I should, but I don't really want to. Now let's attempt once again. Submit. And I want to take a look at the solutions. Yeah, solutions are gonna be great, I think. At least I want to know solutions. Yeah. Today I'm without of lights. I'm just turned them off because it makes it makes screen glares and it drives me crazy. Maybe I'm gonna repair my screen and it's not going to have like a screen glares, but this is what I have. The first one is like a go over to the lowercase. Yeah, it's a cool idea to split by characters. It's kind of a cool solution. You gotta check the first and the last one. It's kind of cool. Yeah, actually getting some things done. Google some things in the same time. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Okay, let's go back and and the last one, if they're equal, then we going to return this one, and this one is like a more than once. It's like a more than once, and this less than once. Yeah, everything cool. I like it. I like this one. It's really easy to understand. Yeah, that was a really good idea to make them like a two loops, and it was not that performant, but right now I know that I can do this another way. And also there are a lot of factors, like right now it's night, but anyway, we don't have excuses, and all we have is just trying to explore the code. Yeah, it does the same thing like the previous one, but previous one uses like map, and that's it. But I like this one more. Like it's more functional, but this one is more imperative, and yeah, it's working. It's cool, but I like worse. Replace. Yeah, we're going to replace every single character. Like if the character is like a character, and if their indexes like less index of and index of are equal, like I really forget about this one again. It's like a once. It's going to be once, and this more than once. Yeah, I like it as well. I like this functional solution and this one using regex. This one is maybe it's more complex. I don't really read this one because it takes some time to understand this one, but previous ones are really cool ones. Yeah, this guy little mouse just extract the functions and count like characters and make it like a functional and fucking pure. I like it. And he made it like a lowercase. It's maybe not that efficient, but anyway, I like it as well. And then we check. Yeah, this is like what I have done, but in a more functional way. Yeah, I like it as well. Yeah, this one I don't really want to understand because I don't really remember this like rechecks. So it's like a string or a space or whatever it is. Oh god, this one is amazing. Can I do this? Really? Can I? Really? I have an array. God. Seriously. I love it, you know? Can I like it or something? I want to compare it because I like it, you know? Yeah, I just want to save it as well. Like, yeah. You can understand a lot of, you can get familiar with a lot of things when you're trying to review those small functions. Like, they do some shit, yeah, they do, but here's a lot of things you can learn from. Like, I like this interpolation, like this way. It's really great one. I really like it. I didn't really know about this thing before, that I can do this thing. You can do this like this. Okay, let's go down. It's like the same I've done. Count, yeah. Oh god. Why is it so big? I don't really want to read this one. It's horrible, honestly. Okay, let's go to the next cat, and then we're going to end up the stream after we've done this thing. Create a function that returns. Let's go to the train and do something right there. Create a function that return the sum of the two lowest positive numbers. Given an array of minimum 4 positive numbers, no float or non-positive integer will be passed. For example, when an array is passed like this one, we're going to return this one. Okay. Let's think about it. It's a really easy one, but let's try to think about it. Two lowest positive numbers. Yeah. Got it? Two lowest ones. I can sort. Yeah, let's use sort. Yeah, of course, if we're gonna have a lot of numbers, it's not gonna be the great solution, but let's do this like this one. A and B, and like A, B. Why it's not working? It's not working at all. Yeah, get a solution about how to sort things. I don't really remember about this one. Yeah, it's a really interesting one, but it's not really it's practical. It's working. Yeah, give me a minute because it's really great solution. It's a really great one. And I wanna show you this one. Give me a minute. Give me a second, or yeah. Like, let's find out the code. I don't really remember where this thing is. Yeah, it's really hard to find this thing. Yeah, but it's worth it because it's an interesting solution about how to sort things. Yes, as I recall, it's about timeout. Like years in timeouts and yeah. Now let's like make this solution. Kind of sort numbers. It's not really cool one, but it's really interesting one. Like using timeouts. Yeah. Let's say we have like an array numbers like, and we have array, and yeah, well, let's make it lat because we're going to modify this array. We're going to mutate this array. And can you see my screen? Yeah, you can. And we are going to use set timeout. It's really stupid solution. It's not stupid, it's really interesting one. And it makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. Yeah, I just want to make it like that. It's a really interesting one. And like how to sort numbers, because really forget how to sort numbers. Like a sort MDN. Yeah, it's probably bad things that I really forget how to sort them, but I'm not using those a lot. Yeah, I've been doing this thing, but it's not working. And I want to sort numbers. I have like a num, and I'm going to push this num to the array. And let's check it out. Yeah, I want to check it out. I want to make sure. It's a really interesting solution. Really original. Sort number. Sort numbers. Let's make this one done. And it doesn't return anything. Of course, we're not going to get anything as well. I don't really remember how this thing works then. Okay, it's not a big deal. I just forget about how this thing works. Yeah, anyway, we can sort the numbers right here. Like sorted numbers, and we're going to sort those numbers, and it's going to happen not like this one. Yeah, I wanna use this one. It's a better one, and I wanna return. I wanna slice those numbers, like two of them, like the first two. And I'm going to have like a first, second one, and I just can like make them together, like a add. What we have, like I'm just missed something. Yeah, it's redundant here. Expected none to equal. Okay. Why it's like that? Yeah, I was right. And let's do attempt. Okay, let's make it shorter. Incredibly short. Nums. Reduce and accumulator and num, and I don't wanna do this like this. Let's make it more readable and do this like that. Yeah, it's better. And let's attempt once again, because yeah, nums, we have nums everywhere. And attempt is going to work. Yeah, and we can submit our solution. Yeah, it's kind of it. My solutions, and can I take a look at my solutions? Yeah, I can, because it's loading. Okay, I can wait for it. It's not a big deal. Cafu, okay. I think it's kind of cool one. All solutions. I really want to take a look at those ones. Yeah, it's also possible, and it's that I wanted to do. Okay, it's kind of simple one. I'm not really interested in this. And okay then. Like a ping. Okay. Yeah, I think it's going to be the last one. Yeah, let's use regex, cause let's use this one. I like error functions. Like, you can kill me, but I'm going. Yeah, if you're gonna ask me, you wanna like you kill me or you wanna use like function keyword, most likely you're gonna kill me because I'm not going to use function keyword like for the most cases, and I wanna do like I wanna create a regex, and I'm gonna have like a new regex and GI, and is this going to be numbers for or in regex? I guess I can do this thing, and let's make it like I don't know, in your I don't know it's whether it's working or not. Yeah, let's check it out. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, because I'm not really sure that it's working. I think I can make it like a one-liner if I can remind how this thing is working. Yeah, let's make it like validate ping, and yeah, I got it. Get regex is like that. False, and this is going to be true. This four. But like only four. Like only four numbers. I want more. Regex only specific number of characters. Yeah, you got me. Like a dollar sign. Reject. Let's remind what forgotten. And like I really forget about regex. Regex meaning in regex. Yeah, give me something. If I recall, it's kind of the end of the string. Okay. We can do this like that. Like 4 and 6. 4 or 6. Can I do this? Regex. Can I do it like this? Yeah, I can. Yeah, let's go to our lovely console and do some shit there. I'm gonna validate the ping. It's false, but it's true. Okay, maybe this thing matters something. It seems it matters. Okay. But it doesn't matter. Or 6. And I should add the $sign to each of them. I don't really know, you know, but I know I can solve it in this way. Usually you can solve things if you don't really know about like how to use some kind of tool, but you know what tool you need to use to solve some kind of things. And this is the case. Yeah. Yeah, I just missed this thing. Let's refresh. Yeah. Okay then. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal at all. And let's make it like that. Or this one. It's gonna be 6. Validate ping, and can fold this through, and the other ones are true as well. And this is not what I need. Exactly 3 occurrences. But I'm getting more than 3. Okay, let's make it more simpler. I'm gonna have 3. And that's it. Like validate, I'm gonna validate this thing. Yeah, let's take a look. And validate ping, like it's gonna be 3 and gonna go. But if I have 4, it's working as well. But it's not working as I wanted to make it working. Number of characters. Maybe should I add like this one? Let's use this thing. Yeah. And I need to do the same thing, but for 6 as well. Yeah, it looks like a trying to learn regex once again. But it's not a big deal, because I really remember some stuff about it. And let's make it like that. Like validate ping. It's cool, this not cool, this cool. And any others are not cool. Yeah, it's a great solution, I think. Not great, but at least it's easy to understand for people who just not that great familiar with regex. And yeah, of course it's gonna pass all of the tests. And this is the best one I came up with. Let's close the tabs and let's wait for solutions we could take a look at. And yeah, and this is more simpler version of what I've done before. Let's make it more simpler as well, because like you can make this T and yeah, I think it should work as well. Validate ping. not really. It's not working. Yeah, it's even more shorter version of it. Yeah, this is how I can done this as well. Like, it's going to work this one, this is not working, this is working. Yeah. Okay then, I think we can wrap up like on this thing. I was really happy to solve a few tasks and just maybe it's going to be useful for somebody who can watch this thing, but not really sure that it's going to be useful for somebody. And also I have an idea to create a startup where like other developers could review some code of other developers, but I want to make it more general. I want to create a service where somebody more professional than the customer, like then the client, can give a feedback to the client, like to the like you have a more professional and you have more professional designer and you can kind of order of like a review order review of more professional designer, like of your things that you've done. Maybe you're like just learning how to design things like a UX design or something like that, and you want to get some feedback, and you can't really get it because probably you didn't have like a sufficient environment or you didn't have people who you can get feedback from. And whatever it is, it can be anything like where you need to get feedback. Yeah, first of all I want to research about this startup, and then I want to do some kind of feasible actions, and then we'll see how it will go, because I really feel like there's no competitors out there, and I really feel that I can pull it off, at least like for experience, like a pet project or something like that. Yeah, also cool thing that I finally make my bike running, like a road bike, because I didn't ride on this one like for 2 months, I think, because mostly I've been riding on a cycle station or my mountain bike or like that, and I really miss like a raw, this fast feeling of motion and something like that. Yeah, I think let's wrap it up, and I hope you gonna have a really great evening or whatever the day is, the time of the day is. Like, I hope you're gonna have a great day, and see you in the next one.